Flow Launcher versus Fluent Search. Choosing the best Windows launcher can boost your productivity without clutter or confusion. Flow Launcher focuses on extensibility and plugins, while Fluent Search emphasizes integration and simplicity. Flow Launcher and Fluent Search are both Windows launchers designed to speed up app and file access. The core difference lies in Flow Launcher's plugin-based extensibility versus Fluent Search's all-in-one search and integration approach. Flow Launcher is an open-source Windows launcher built around a flexible plugin system. It works by indexing your apps, files, and web searches, allowing you to quickly access them through a simple search bar. Users can extend its functionality by installing or creating custom plugins, making it highly adaptable to different workflows. Its strengths include fast performance, a clean interface, and a strong developer community contributing plugins for everything from clipboard management to system commands. However, its reliance on plugins means some features require setup or additional installation, which might overwhelm casual users. Flow Launcher is ideal for power users and developers who want a customizable launcher that can grow with their needs and integrate deeply with various tools. Fluent Search is a Windows launcher focused on delivering fast and unified search across apps, documents, emails, and web results. It indexes your system and connected services to provide instant search results from a single interface. Fluent Search's strength lies in its integration with Windows features like quick access, control panel, and email clients, making it a versatile tool for users who want everything searchable in one place. The interface is user-friendly and designed for quick navigation without extra setup. However, it may not offer the same level of customization or plugin support as Flow Launcher, limiting advanced tweaks. Fluent Search suits users looking for a straightforward, all-in-one search experience that covers both local and online content seamlessly. Comparing Flow Launcher and Fluent Search highlights their different approaches. Flow Launcher excels in customization and extensibility, perfect for users who want to tailor their launcher with plugins for specific tasks, like running scripts or managing clipboard history. Fluent Search, on the other hand, offers a polished integrated search experience that covers a wide range of content types without extra configuration. For example, if you need to quickly find emails, settings, or files in one place, Fluent Search delivers out of the box. But if you prefer building a personalized launcher ecosystem, Flow Launcher is better suited. The trade-off is between flexibility and ready-to-use integration, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize customization or simplicity. Choose Flow Launcher if you want a highly customizable plugin-driven launcher that adapts to complex workflows and developer-friendly environments. Fluent Search is the best choice for users seeking a seamless integrated search tool that works immediately with minimal setup. Both launchers improve productivity, so pick the one that fits your style, customizable power, or straightforward integration.